one is from the company VONT. They sent me some camping lanterns, and it works with LED lights, which is perfect, as you guys would know. Now, if you like to camp, or even if you like to hang outdoors, or if you're camping even in your backyard with your kids, these can come in really handy. So let me just open up the package and I'll show you guys what they look like. Now, this is a set of 4. There's a VONT VIP club. So we get here the instruction manual, installing the batteries, using the lantern, and safety information, which is very important. So I'm going to take one out. Now the batteries are included for you, and we get, so it's 3 batteries per lamp, and we get 4 sets of batteries. This is the lamp itself. Now it's a small lamp, but it's going to be very bright. So to use this, these are the handles, easy for you to walk around with. You know what this would be nice for? This would be really nice for if you go trick-or-treating and you want to walk with your own light, like especially the place is so dark. So let's unscrew the bottom, and that's where the batteries go. So I'm just gonna put this back up like this, and we're gonna open one pack of the batteries. I like when they provide the batteries for you, because it's really difficult for some folks. You have to go and look or find batteries, you have to go and buy batteries. That's so inconvenient, right? So convenience is what we're looking for. So once that's in, you go ahead and screw the base back on. And we're gonna pull up, and there's the light. That's so cool, right? You pull up, it comes on, and when you close it back down, it cuts off. This is like so cute. Isn't this the cutest thing in the world? Let me out the light in here so we can try it. So it's pretty dark-ish. Maybe I should close the curtains. If I close the curtains, it'll get even darker. Okay, this is still perfect. So pull up. Wow, isn't this lovely? This is so cool. Really cool. Imagine if my son gets a hold of this, he is going to have a day with it. So let me just put on back the light. I'm gonna close this. Let me just put on back the lights in here. Now, as I said, we got 4 in these, and they're really small and neat that you can take them around with you. You can put one in your car. You can put one in each room in your home, so that if the power goes out, you have a light. So as I said, there are 4 in the box, so it's a set of 4, which is really good, because I mean, you don't want to have to buy 4. You're getting 4 for your money, so you're getting your money's worth. They're really small and cute. So guys, I really like this. So if you all are interested in purchasing this set of lanterns, I would leave the information to purchase down in the description box. Just click on that link. Guys, please get it. It's like, even if you're not gonna use it, just get it, because it's like so cute. Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed this review. I know it was short, and I wouldn't be going outside, seeing that I showed you guys when I closed up the curtains. It's really bright, and it's something I definitely recommend. So if you guys enjoyed this video, comment and let me know down below if you're getting it or if you got a set. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.